Alright, what's up guys? So I wanted to come out today and I wanted to intro this video that I shot like a week ago, and it was that one where, okay, if you remember the last one I said, the next video is going to be us shooting guns. Big guns. Well, that video happened and this is the intro, man. I don't know where to start, but I'm just gonna roll everything, and I'm not even gonna actually talk. I'm gonna stop right now, but I did want to shoot this just to kind of get some like filler talking space in there. So yeah, we went to this place, the shooting range right beside the street. I don't know how it was even legal, but we did that, and then we just started shooting a bunch of guns. We started off with like little pistols, then we went to shotguns, then we went to machine guns, and it was crazy. Willie and my friend Jordan went, so check it out. And I'm gonna roll the clip now and stop talking because I just got back from off-roading and a bunch of crazy stuff that you guys are gonna see in the next video, because it's never stopping. We're always gonna keep it rolling, always more content, always more videos. I'm just in a good mood, guys, so excuse me, but roll the clip.
Yo.
What's up?
Where you at?
I just got back to my home.
Alright, I was about to meet you and walk the sheets, but alright, I'll just walk down there.
You want me to pick you up? I'm like still in my car.
I'm walking anyways, I'm just walking down that main road.
Oh, you already walking?
Yeah, I'm walking now.
Alright, so we are on the verge to go shoot these guns, man. I'm excited. I don't really know what to expect. I've never done this before, but it should be pretty fun, man. It should be pretty fun.
Where's Willie?
I'm gonna use different voices too. You know?
I just got donated this, not donated, but donated.
You can have it!
This industrial sauce. Right now I'm using a non-industrial one.
That's good stuff. It's good content.
Connect the dots. Link with the connect and we collect them dots. What type of boss is you? You get your dollar trade. Link with the connect and we collect them dots. Like the spot. When we catch a headshot, this connect is top.
Okay, so this is happening right now. Shoot off the side of the road.
Didn't know we were shooting guns.
Not off the side of the road.
It's a beautiful place.
Oh, glass shards. Dude, you can educate the kids about guns. Yeah, my hands are just shaking. I'm so cold.
How do you rotate my device? Alright.
I think my ears.
Keep your finger off the trigger until you're shooting.
Shoot her, bud. Oh! Oh!
Alright. Oh.
Dude, you almost shot your foot off.
I miss.
Who can film for me?
I got you.
You filming?
I sure am. Don't put your finger on the trigger.
Safety, bud. Come on, get up here. Safety tips. Safety tips.
Safety tips.
Is it all safety? What? Safety tips.
Get up there. Elbows up. Alright. And then you want to line up this top peg, the very top of it.
Dude, you.
Go ahead.
Why would you finger off everything? Dude, don't
finger
stop.
off the trigger until you're ready to pull.
Safety, bud.
Yeah, you might.
There we go. What if I was shooting guns and I died of backpack? Oh, it's a war zone, bud.
Guns don't kill people.
Other hand up here. Pull this back into your shoulder. Lean your cheek down. You're looking through this hole, the top of this peg. All right. Cool?
So flip that thing and pull the trigger.
Flip that thing and pull the trigger. Okay.
Oh,
Hand
no,
on that
dude.
grip.
This is like...
Oh, keep your finger off the trigger.
It's nothing,
This
dude.
is heavy duty, bud.
Yeah, I thought it was, it's not.
It's not that bad.
Oh,
Is it recording?
already, yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Hold on, boy. Dude, that'll probably stop after a couple seconds. It's weird. It won't. That's all. Alright, go. This is scary.
Go!
It's scary. Ah, you can't just... How high should it be like this? I don't know if I'm
Pull it
ready.
tight. You're
Okay,
tight.
okay.
Lean your face over, go. 8 seconds.
It's not doing nothing. Put it off safe.
Go! You're crazy. Alright.
Get it.
Alright,
I like that.
Oh.
This is rough.
Go.
No?
Yeah, you're crazy. No chicken wing. Keep your elbow down.
I can't see anything.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna put my glasses on.
Seriously?
You're gonna punch me.
Click it off safety whenever you're ready.
Is it off safe? I'm gonna have to shoot it one time.
Go ahead.
I suck. Oh, jeez. It's gonna blow your shoulder off. Yeah.
safety is here. This thing. Okay, you push it from both sides. Whenever the red is exposed, see the red on there? Whenever that's exposed, you're on fire. So it's safe right now. That's fire.
What?
Nope, other way. There you go.
First time shooting shotgun.
Yep.
That'll release the slide. Push it in, hold it in. There you go. Now there's one in the chamber. Now you can stick another one in the tube.
I'm good with 2.
Two?
Oh, I wasn't ready for that. Ah! Something hit me.
Alright, good.
What do I do? Okay, now
Yo, that's like they do in the
pull
movies.
this back with this little lever right here.
Don't
Now
pull the
slide
trigger.
the slide back. Now put it forward. Put it forward. Okay, now put 2 more in the tube until it clicks. There you go.
Ow!
Click. There you
Ow, what the
It's because you're stuffing your finger in the back.
Is it recording, bud?
Yeah. Don't blast me.
Whoa. I go. Ow! Okay, I'm done for that.
No, blast it, dude. Blast it. One more, buddy. Blast it up.
You gotta hold it tight in your shoulder. You do that with it? Yeah.
Don't fall back. Oh, you blasted that shit?
Leg back, leg back. You gotta get into it.
Come on, bud.
That one when's recording.
It is.
It's only 28 seconds. So you don't record yet. I ain't ready yet. Ah! Oh! I did it. All right,
Come on, dude. 10 seconds. 9.
Go, go.
oh! Did I hit it?
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Yes, you did, dude. Alright, that's good. That's good. Let's go.
Send it.
Hurry up.